Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how to find the reciprocal functions of a basic trig functions, and we will do some examples on this issue and exercises. So at the end of this class it is expected to do the reciprocal functions of angles like 1050 and so on. So let's gonna start. A reciprocal functions can be defined. They are simply a reciprocal of a basic trig functions. For example, the reciprocal of sine function, we call it cosec function, and we will abbreviate this CSC. It means cosec. And also the reciprocal of cos functions is sec function, and the reciprocal of tan we call it cot functions. So we already know how to find sine. Sine is simply opposite over hypotenuse. When we reciprocal it, it gives hypotenuse over opposite. And also if it is written in standard form of in a coordinate plane, we can find easily using r over y, where r is a radius which can be found out using Pythagoras theorem, as we have seen before. So let's do some examples. As an example, let's find the cosec, sec and cot of an angle for A in standard position consisting of a point 3,4 on its terminal position, and we're gonna find for an angle theta which given by minus 150 degree. For the first question, the angle is not given, but there is a coordinate, and plus there is information that is in standard position. It means in a coordinate plate we have origin at vertex, and the initial positions of the angle is fixed to x positive. Then the terminal position is having a point of 3,4. That is, so let's draw first. So this is the first. So here theta is formed by this terminal position. Without calculating theta, we can find easily the trig and the reciprocal using first finding its r. So r will be x squared plus y square under square root, so it gives 5. Then from the definition you can find cosec theta, it is hypotenuse over opposite, and sec theta, it is hypotenuse over adjacent side, and cot theta would be its adjacent side over its opposite side. Okay, let's do for B. For an angle which is clockwise direction, negative means, so first let's find its quadrant. It passes negative y-axis in clockwise direction, and it will be in quadrant 3. So in quadrant 3, as we have seen, all students take coffee or take chemistry. So all students take, it means tan is positive in quadrant 3, and sine and cos are negative values. After knowing the signs of the value, let's determine its reference angle. So the reference angle for this, as we have seen, it will be 30 degree, because 30 minus 150 means it passes negative y-axis by 60 degrees, so the remaining degree to x negative axis is 30 degree. So if you have difficulty, please see the past video. So the reference angle is 30. It means finding sine cos for minus 150 is the same as finding sine cos tan for 30 degree, and the sine is determined from its quadrant. So in quadrant 3, negative value is taken for sine and cos, and tan will be positive. Then after determining these values, we can easily find the reciprocal by reciprocating these values. So cosec will be reciprocal of sine, and sec will be reciprocal of cos, and cot will be reciprocal of tan value. So you can easily find the reciprocal value of these functions using this method. As an exercise, try to find the reciprocal function value for an angles given by this. If you have difficulty, let me know. For now, goodbye.